So in this video, I'm going to be walking through the HighLevel Client Portal, the membership and the course area, one centralized place where all of your contacts can come, be part of a community, get access to courses, you can go live, you can share documents, really much better for kind of centralizing communication with your client. The Client Portal, which includes the courses and the communities, is available under memberships inside of your account. As you can see here, I've got a custom portal link. So this is where people will log in. And when they log in, this is what they'll see. Now you can choose what's accessible on their homepage. So back over in the settings here, I can choose which one of these is visible and what is not visible. So if they're not relevant, like if you're not doing affiliates and things, you can switch that off and then it will no longer be available. You can also choose which page they access first when they use your link. It's like the front door into your client world. You can see here the dots up here will also be shortcuts. There's a home button and you can see it's fully branded here with colors and logos, etc. So if you want clients to be able to upload files via the portal, these will appear on the contact record. So if I now add a file, a random one, which I've just chosen from my computer, or I can just drag it over. You can see here the names of the files are appearing. I can now upload those and they will sit in here. Now, if I go back and have a look in my account, if I have a look on the right-hand side under documents, we can see those documents have appeared. I wanted to download it from here or preview it from here. I can do so. And if I want to upload something for the client here as well, I can add a document and again, select from my computer. See, it's uploading there. And now I would tick this box to share it to the client portal. That's now uploaded. If I go back to the portal and I refresh, we can see that that's now appeared here and I have visibility of it. Back in the contact record, if I now want to stop sharing that file, I can delete it from here or just stop sharing it with the client portal and I can unshare it. And when I go back over here, it will now have disappeared. Other documents that you can have on here, you've got internal documents, which are ones which are obviously private, that only you will see as a team. So they can be stored here and you can share and unshare them. You will have visibility on what you've sent as far as e-signed documents within the system. And here we can see what's been received from the client portal as well. That's the documents section. Inside of the client portal, we have groups. This is an example of a group which has more than one channel. Now these channels are locked. So here we've got a public channel and then we've got private channels and you need to be members. So you can see here there's 868 people, everybody's in here, but this one is a private one that we've given access to, only has 14 people. This one is a paid one and has 251 people in there. So you can, in the automations, add and remove people. Again, at the top here, you have options of things once you're inside the community of what people can see. So if I go to settings, we can see we can show and hide the tab. So I haven't got leaderboard on here and I haven't got the members visible. So there's different options here as far as what you can show and hide. You can also charge, have a newsletter where there is popular posts like a digest that goes out. Again, full branding, different themes that you can set up, questions that you can ask people when they come in, gamifications and rewards. You can add links, which I'll show you in a second. And yes, and if you want it discoverable on the GoCollab community to other people using the system for other people. These are the links. So here I've got links that are handy for people in my community. I can also invite people in using this link here. This is an open community, so I have a link to this on a completely separate page. It takes you to a page to put in your details, which then adds those people to the CRM. Accessible also from the communities is any courses that you want to attach to the membership community area. Inside of the memberships area in your HighLevel account, you'll see that there is courses and you can create multiple courses. In the community area, if I want to add a course, I can select a course from what I've already got in the system and I can make it available to only to a private channel, time unlock, people have to purchase it, they have to be a certain level to unlock it, or just kind of open for everybody. As far as having these other private channels, you can see here, when we do office hours, we go live inside of here, and then the recording is sitting available for anybody that joins in the future or wants to catch up because they missed it. They've been set up as events so that there are reminders for people and they can see when they come in what's available. There's when creating an event, you can say what the location is, whether it's a live room, a Zoom, or other. And if you do it as a live room, it will give you a link, and then that recording will also be separately available. I've done it so that the link is other, and it takes people straight to the channel for them to join. And as you can see here, you can make it recurring if you want to. Hide it from people that shouldn't see it, only make it available to people that are in a private channel or a course or at a certain level. You can also make those events payable if necessary, if that's what you want to do. So again, here I've got access back to the community. I can switch out to courses. Courses also accessible from the Learning tab. And the home button here takes me back to the main client portal, which has the summary of the shared files, accessing the course, going over to the different groups. And if there's multiple groups, it would show up here as well. So the portal is the hub. We've got the private areas of the membership spaces where we can have a open area if we want to with everybody in, and then private channels which people can join. We have courses that we can attach and limit access if we want to people who are members of different channels or have paid or are at a certain level. And that combines the whole experience with the additional uploading of files as well. Back inside of the CRM, to give people access to the course, is under the Actions tab here, where you'll see it's got Client Portal. And you can see offers is the different courses, and then we have the community groups here that you can allow access to someone. It will trigger the welcome email out to them. And there's also a magic link. So the magic link here is going to send the user, in this case me, my unique URL to be able to log in. Inside of the automations, we can trigger an action when somebody joins a level on the leaderboard in the community group. We can grant and revoke access at both private channel level as well as group level. And we could also do that for an offer. An offer is a course. Likewise, we can very easily revoke